Oi meus amores, eu tô aqui no Hollywood Studios e vou mostrar tudo pra vocês. Vamos pra vinheta? Hoje o vídeo vai ser aqui no Hollywood Studios. Aqui eu tô na área do Toy Story. Era pra ter gravado de manhã pra vocês, mas estou gravando agora à noite. E se você ainda não é inscrito no meu canal, por favor, se inscreva no meu canal, ative o sininho para receber notificações, compartilhe com seus amigos e me siga no meu Instagram, fernandatop. Então vamos pro vídeo. Agora vai começar a atração.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be able to let Prank-Top commanders were leaking?
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Bakara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors open now.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety gear for discipline ride. Ground crews, deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Bakara. Deck 3, you are clear for launch.
Vamos entrar. É o que nos aguarda.
Check the minor in Yes, I just won't. Look at a girl like a breath. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, 9-Num. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. The engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Network system scan ready.
Affirmative.
Red home gate.
Engage propulsions and hold on, recruits. More ships. Launch. Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Bakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. First order TIE fighters, reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we gotta get a path so transport can make the jump. They're all over us! I'm hit!
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue!
I'm trying, but...
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to draw him away!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers. We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141.
I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Down the ramp to the right.
Ai, sai meu filho. Ai, mãe.
Vem na minha frente.
Se a gente ficar aqui. Acho que é.
Não tem nada aqui.
Calma, ainda começou.
Vale la pena
Vamos ver como é. Nós somos vermelhos. É, eu só não sei. Vou achar lá dentro depois.
Prisoners are secure.
O que será?
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
You're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Not to our recruits, but with the resistance. Get out of here. Go. Go to your colors. Go first. Go.
Escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, and those are the prisoners.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Prisoners not seen on level D. Carry on! Fire! Take cover, recruits! If anyone's back in a blaster, now's a good time. Ah! The escape pod is just below us! Why are you going up? I said down! Up is bad! Up is real bad!
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Stop! The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, scan for his pocket.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
Gente, acabei de ir nessa de Star Wars, muito legal, bem diferente, assim, muito moderno, os personagens ali que é robô, mas é muito bom. Eu achei, ficamos mais de 2 horas na fila, cansativo, mas eu acho que vale a pena. Então confiram essa nova atração, nova não, que já nova pra mim, aqui no Hollywood Studios.